Not only does this fold in half to 50% its size, but the handlebars come down, the seat goes down, and even the pedals collapse to make it even smaller.
Comfort shock absorbent seat. Wider tires for gravel roads and stuff. The way you see it is the way it came. I plan to use it for is increasing my range in hunting trips out west. It comes with a phone holder. It's got a 7-speed, regular like a 10-speed bike, right, like a regular bike. And then it has this power assist motor, which is basically a digital setup. You hold it until it turns on. Screen turns on. You can select your assist mode, 2 mode, all the way up to 5. Has a throttle, front and rear disc brakes. Has a light and a tail light.
Looks like you've been off-roading down here.
Oh yeah.